Hello, my name is Ramakrishna. This is Amma Lakshmi. Just want to share our experience, what we went through. This was last year in the middle of the pandemic when my mother was having acute back pain, and for about 2 to 3 months she had severe pain. She was not able to walk. Most of the time she was in the bed. We consulted several local doctors, orthopedic surgeons near our home, and lot of treatments, but we didn't get the cure. Then finally we came to Dr. Balamurali here in Kauvery, and within the first 10-15 minutes after looking at the X-ray, he confidently said that surgery பண்ணுங்க in 1 week நீங்க நடப்பீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. So that confidence made a lot of difference, and we went for the surgery, and it's about 1.5 years now. She's able to walk, and within 1 week she started walking, no pains, and it's been like 18 months, as I said, and she's able to take care of herself. She's busy in the kitchen. She's very active, so we are so happy. I just want to share the experience, and even I had the fear initially that spine surgery is something at this age, do we want to do it? She's 80 now, but I don't think it's more of a wrong perception. If you go to the right doctor, I think you will do the right cure. So just want to share my experience, and I would like to thank Dr. Balamurali and the Kauvery Hospital. Thank you.